Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to share with you a rejuvenating morning elixir recipe that will kickstart your day with a burst of freshness and vitality. For this recipe, you'll need 1 fresh lemon, a piece of ginger, 3 plums, 4 figs, 8 dates, cut into pieces, 4 apricots, and 1 liter of water. To begin, let's slice the lemon and ginger into small pieces. Next, we'll prepare the plums, figs, dates, and apricots by cutting them into smaller, manageable pieces. Now, let's bring our liter of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, let it simmer for about 10 minutes to infuse all the flavors. After 10 minutes, turn off the heat and let the water cool slightly. Now, strain the water using a sieve to remove any impurities. Once strained, transfer the infused water into a glass pitcher or container. Now, it's time to add our prepared ingredients. Drop in the lemon slices, ginger pieces, plums, figs, dates, and apricots into the infused water. Give it a gentle stir to combine all the flavors. And there you have it, our refreshing morning elixir is ready to be enjoyed. I recommend drinking 1 glass of this elixir every morning on an empty stomach to kickstart your day with a boost of hydration and essential nutrients. Absolutely delicious. I can already feel the energizing effects. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes and wellness tips. Until next time, stay happy and healthy.